Yo guys, it's Shunka here, back with another video on Tenet. Hope you guys are doing well and safe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to put on a PlayStation stand either vertically or horizontally. Let's get straight into it, guys. So we're going to be starting off with the horizontal, meaning that the PlayStation will lie flat. So guys, before you touch the PlayStation, you're going to grab the stand, making sure that it's twisted onto the side where the screw bolt is not showing, where any holes are not showing from the screw. Making sure that's done before you touch the PlayStation. Once that's been complete, guys, you flip the PlayStation over so you've got the back. As you can see, the traditional Sony buttons, the X, triangle, square and circle, on the right side of the wing. So what you'll want to do is you'll place the hook for the stand on top of the squares at either end of the symbols, whichever. Do this carefully but firmly, guys, to ensure that the hooks are properly attached to the PlayStation 5. Afterwards, feel free to place a PS5 on its side whenever you manage to find room for it. As you can see in this video, it gives it a nice slick finish, and that is how you do the horizontal side. Let's move on to the vertical. Right guys, so we're moving on to the vertical side for the PlayStation 5. So if you're planning on having the PlayStation 5 stand vertically, then you'll want to retrieve the screw from the PlayStation 5 stand, because without it you won't be able to put the PlayStation 5 up. So that is vital for the PlayStation if you want it done vertically. The screw can actually be found within the stand itself. So if you look at the bottom of the stand, you'll notice that the space for the small compartment. To reach the screw, you need to rotate both the base and the hooks of the PlayStation stand till you can reach the compartment. Inside you'll find the nail, which you can pull out, and a space to keep the screw cap. The screw cap is at the bottom of the PlayStation 5, which I'll show you guys shortly. The screw might be rather hard to remove, but if you keep at it, guys, make sure you never give up. You'll be able to free it. So basically, if you guys have space, then you most likely want to have the PlayStation 5 stand in a vertical position. While you can do this without stand, it will help keep the PlayStation 5 safe. So personally, I recommend you guys use vertically than horizontally, but if you guys want to use horizontally, that's perfectly fine. In the middle of the PlayStation 5 base, you'll see a screw cap which you'll need to remove. This might be a bit tricky for you guys. If you've got big nails, then it's perfect, but with that screw cap you can put it in the PlayStation 5 stand, as there is a slot for that to keep it safe, as you never know, you might want to put it back on. Now you'll want to attach the stand by lining it up with the hole you retrieved from the screw as shown on this video, and you want to hook it onto the back of the PlayStation 5 console, and you want to make sure that the hooks are attached in the middle of the PlayStation, as you can see. Finally, you will want to tighten the screw using ideally a flat-headed screwdriver, or even you can use a 10p piece or something similar to that. 50p piece will do as well. Once the screw's been tightened, you can stand the PlayStation 5 vertically and you can start playing, guys. As simple as that. So that is pretty much it for the PS5 stand. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Take care, and that is Shunka out.